Hello students, in this video I am going to explain you the in-text question given in NCERT, that is, can you suggest a simple name to the process? What is this process? This process is, in some viruses the flow of information is in reverse direction, that is from RNA to DNA. So what is that process of flow of information called? Can you suggest a simple name to this process? The simple name to this process is reverse transcription. Reverse transcription. Actually, generally, the flow of genetic information is from DNA to RNA. This process of flow of genetic information from DNA to RNA is called as transcription, and from RNA, this flow of genetic information is towards protein, is to the protein. This process of flow of genetic information from RNA to protein is called as translation. So, the process of synthesis of RNA from DNA is transcription, and this RNA undergoes translation to form, especially mRNA undergoes translation to form what? Protein. So, process of flow of genetic information is actually from DNA to RNA, which is called transcription, and the process of flow of information is from RNA to protein is called translation. So, this flow of genetic information, that is from DNA to RNA and RNA to protein, is called as central dogma of molecular biology. The central dogma of molecular biology is proposed by Francis Crick alone. Crick alone proposed this process of genetic information, flow of genetic information from DNA to RNA and from RNA to protein, which is called central dogma of molecular biology. And even DNA undergoes a process called replication to form daughter DNA. That process is called as replication. So formation of DNA from DNA is replication, formation of RNA from DNA is transcription, and formation of protein from this RNA is translation. So this is central dogma of molecular biology given by Francis Crick, proposed by Francis Crick. Okay, and now this DNA is called as master copy. Master copy because it is involved in storage of genetic information. Okay, and whereas RNA is called as working copy. RNA is called as working copy because it is involved in transfer of genetic information, that is messenger. It is carrying message from DNA which is required for the synthesis of a protein. So this is called working copy. Whereas protein is called as building molecule. Protein is building molecule. Building molecule. So this flow of genetic information is generally from DNA to RNA. But in case of some viruses which consists of RNA as their genetic material, flow of genetic information is from RNA to DNA. RNA to DNA. Actually, flow of genetic information from DNA to RNA is called as flow of genetic information from DNA to RNA is called as transcription. This process is called as transcription, whereas flow of genetic information from RNA to DNA is called as reverse transcription. It is taking place in reverse direction, no? So this is called reverse transcription. Okay, and this reverse transcription is catalyzed by an enzyme, reverse transcriptase, and the presence of this reverse transcriptase is the characteristic feature of a group of viruses called retroviruses. So especially this reverse transcriptase enzyme is present in a group of viruses called retroviruses, which consists of RNA as their genetic material. Okay, all the RNA viruses will not have reverse transcriptase. This reverse transcriptase is present in a group of viruses, a particular group of viruses called retroviruses, which consists of this enzyme reverse transcriptase, which is involved in the process of reverse transcription, that is synthesis of DNA from RNA. That is nothing but flow of genetic information, reverse flow of genetic information, that is from RNA to DNA. So hope you understood this concept. Thank you, students.